Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best Harry Potter Lego is probably one of the most magical experiences you can have in the world of building blocks. From Hogwarts to the Forbidden Forest, these sets bring the wizarding world to life with incredible detail and creativity. Whether you're a seasoned Lego builder or a newcomer to the hobby, these sets offer a fantastic way to immerse yourself in the enchanting universe of Harry Potter. Number 5. LEGO Harry Potter Hogwarts Great Hall 75954. Step into the enchanting world of Hogwarts with this incredible LEGO set. It's packed with everything you need to recreate iconic scenes from the Harry Potter films. This set features the iconic Great Hall, complete with house banners and a movable spiral staircase. It's a fantastic addition to any LEGO Harry Potter collection. With 878 pieces, this set includes 10 minifigures, including Harry Potter, Hermione Granger, and Hagrid. You can explore the potions room and treasure room. Kids will love playing out their own magical adventures. They can interact with items like magic wands and the sorting hat, and encounter magical creatures. This advanced building set is perfect for creative builders. It measures over 14 inches high and is compatible with all LEGO building toys. It's a great gift. What we like. This set brings the iconic Great Hall to life with incredible detail. It includes multiple rooms and 10 minifigures, allowing you to recreate your favorite scenes. If you are looking for a comprehensive Hogwarts experience with plenty of characters and locations, this is the perfect choice. What people say. With nearly 900 pieces, it was a fun and immersive build that kept my 8-year-old engaged for a couple of days. I was really impressed with the level of detail. Every little feature captured the essence of the iconic location, making it instantly recognizable. Number 4. LEGO Harry Potter Night Bus 75957 Building Kit. Get ready to hop on the Night Bus. This LEGO set brings the iconic triple-decker bus from Harry Potter and the Prisoner of Azkaban to life. It's a magical journey waiting to begin. This set features the Night Bus with 3 levels. It has a hinged side panel and a removable roof, making it easy to access the interior. You can recreate your favorite scenes with ease. The set includes 3 minifigures, Harry Potter, Stan Shunpike, and Ernie Prang. They are ready to take you on a wild ride. Join them on their adventure. The Night Bus measures over 6 inches high, 6 inches long, and 2 inches wide. It's the perfect size for play and display. You can easily showcase it on your shelf. With 403 pieces, this set is perfect for builders aged 8 and up. It can be combined with other LEGO sets. Let your creativity run wild. What we like. The Night Bus offers a unique and instantly recognizable model. Its 3-level design and included minifigures make it a fun and playable set. If you like the Prisoner of Azkaban or want a unique vehicle to add to your collection, this is the one for you. What people say. This was purchased as a gift for a LEGO collector. He said it was a lot of fun to put together and the detail was really good. Give the designers credit, they packed quite a few fun features into a small build, like the swaying chandelier, the bed that shifts, and of course the 3 levels. Number 3. LEGO Harry Potter Hogwarts Express 75955. Get ready to build the iconic Hogwarts Express. This LEGO set lets you recreate the magical train and start your own adventure. It's perfect for Harry Potter fans of all ages. The set features a detailed model train with a removable side panel and roof. You can explore the interior and imagine the journey to Hogwarts. This set also includes a railway bridge and platform 9 3/4. This set includes Harry Potter, Ron Weasley, and Hermione Granger minifigures. You'll also find Remus Lupin, the Trolley Witch, and even Dementor and Scabbers figures. It's all there to bring the story to life. The Hogwarts Express train measures over 3 inches high, 18 inches long, and 1 inch wide. It's a great size for display and play. It will be a fantastic addition to any LEGO collection. With 801 pieces, this Harry Potter toy building kit is ideal for builders aged 8 to 14. It's also compatible with other LEGO sets, so you can expand your magical world. Let your imagination run wild. What we like. This set allows you to build the iconic Hogwarts Express train. It includes Platform 934 and several character figures, perfect for recreating the journey to Hogwarts. If you are a fan of the train scenes and want a detailed model, you should consider it. What people say. The details on the Hogwarts Express are amazing, and building it was a fun and rewarding experience. Lots of cool details. Instructions are very easy to follow. Number 2. Lego Harry Potter Hogwarts Castle 71043. This incredible Lego set lets you build a microscale Hogwarts castle. It includes iconic locations like Hagrid's hut and the Whomping Willow. It's perfect for any Harry Potter fan. Inside, you'll find the Great Hall with stained glass windows and moving staircases. The set is filled with intricate details that bring the magic to life. It's a truly immersive building experience. The set also features Hagrid's hut, complete with Aragog the spider and pumpkins. This adds another layer of detail for fans of the series. You can recreate your favorite scenes. It comes with a variety of accessories, including the Sword of Gryffindor and wands. These elements enhance the playability and collectability of the set. It's a must-have for any collector. The Whomping Willow includes the flying Ford Anglia car. You can recreate thrilling adventures from the Wizarding World. This set provides hours of fun. What we like. This set offers a stunning microscale Hogwarts castle. It features a detailed interior, including the Great Hall and Hagrid's hut. If you are looking for a display piece that captures the entire castle in intricate detail, this is the one for you. What people say. The Lego Harry Potter castle set is incredible. The details are amazing, capturing the magic of Hogwarts perfectly. It was a fun and rewarding build, great for both kids and adults. This set has an incredible amount of detail from each book movie. Number 1. Lego Harry Potter Hogwarts Astronomy Tower 75969. This Lego set lets you build the iconic astronomy tower from the Harry Potter movies. It's a multi-level castle model, perfect for recreating your favorite scenes. The set comes with 8 minifigures, including Harry, Hermione, Ron, and more. They are ready to bring the magic to life. Kids can explore the tower's many features, like the telescope and greenhouse. There's also the Ravenclaw dorm and Slughorn's party to discover. With this set, you can roleplay scenes from the movies. Search the sky, check the mandrakes, or join the party. The possibilities are endless. The set includes accessories like Hedwig the Owl, letters, wands, and more. These details add to the magical experience. This Lego Harry Potter set makes a great gift for kids aged 9 and up. It's a magical adventure waiting to be built and enjoyed. What we like. This set focuses on the astronomy tower, offering multiple play areas and 8 minifigures. It allows you to recreate scenes from the movies, including the greenhouse and Ravenclaw dorm. If you enjoy role-playing and want a set with lots of characters and play features, you should consider it. What people say. The details are spectacular in this set. This has distinctive towers that stand out. This was a fun set to put together. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.